Okay, so let's see, the 3 best essays, gold, silver, and bronze. They're 10 essays, so it matters who gets bronze, who gets gold, who gets silver. 10p3, let me use pen. So 10 factorial over 10 minus 3 factorial, which is really 7. Let me zoom that in a little bit, sorry. So that means that's 10 times 9 times 8, 76543. 9 times 8, 72, 720 ways. There are 14 players on a team. You only need to choose 5. So it doesn't matter. It would be permutation if each of the players had a certain position. So if one was forward and one was sweeper and one was goalie, then suddenly it would be permutation. But here now, combination. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2. So let's see, 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 3 is 12. So 14 times 13 times 11. Sounds like a lot of options. 2002. Let's say ways again. Okay. 7 fruits, 2 yogurts, 8 supplements, 7 times 2 times 8. 7 times 2 is 14, 28, let's see, sorry, 7 times 2 times 8, so 112 types, or smoothies, or whatever, okay? Let's go to the next one. Oh, everything's probability. So notice this section was just the number. This is probability, which means each answer is going to be a fraction. All right, you got 4 green, 7 red. What's the probability green? 4 green out of 11. That's fully simplified, done. If you're not sure if it's fully simplified, you'll go 4 divided by 11, second PRB, and it will fully simplify it for you. They want to know the probability of red or green. So here's my red, here's my green. 17 plus 30 is 47. And then add the 53, which is 100. 47 over 100, you didn't see any of that, sorry, is fully simplified. If you don't think it's fully simplified, you can go like this, second PRB, and you will see that it is fully simplified. All right, find the probability of pointing a chosen at random inside the circle. So that means we need the little circle over the big circle, which is the part over the total. So the formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r squared. So for the small, pi times 3 squared, bottom, pi times 4 squared, pi's cancel, 9 over 16. Okay. Oh, I only gave you that for homework. Well, happy birthday. That's